Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to send a suggestion to Snapchat about Snapchat Plus. If you have any ideas or suggestions to make Snapchat Plus even better, this full guide is for you. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, search for the I have a suggestion option. Tap on it to share your valuable suggestions directly with the Snapchat team. Step 5. Now you'll see various topics to choose from. Tap on Snapchat Plus to specifically address your suggestion regarding this feature. Step 6. Write a specific report detailing your suggestion. Be as detailed as possible, explaining the improvements or new features you'd like to see in the Snapchat Plus feature. Your feedback is crucial in shaping the future of this enhancement. Step 7. If you have visual examples or references to support your suggestion, you can add attachments such as pictures. Simply tap on Add Attachments and select the appropriate files. By following these steps, you can easily send your valuable suggestions to Snapchat about Snapchat Plus, contributing to the app's continuous improvement and enhancing the overall user experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.